Curb appeal plays a major role in how your home looks, feels, and even performs. In communities like Conshohocken, where charming older homes blend with modern renovations, homeowners want upgrades that elevate style while improving comfort and efficiency. EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia specializes in delivering exactly that. With premium products, expert installation, and design-focused solutions, they help local homeowners transform their properties into beautiful, high-performing spaces. Modern windows designed to elevate your home's exterior. Your windows are one of the most noticeable features of your home's facade. When they're outdated, worn, or mismatched, they can make the entire property appear tired. EcoView offers a wide range of replacement window styles that instantly refresh the look of any Conshohocken home. Whether you're looking for sleek double-hung windows that suit traditional architecture or bold picture windows that add modern flair, EcoView provides customized options that enhance both beauty and functionality. Homeowners also appreciate the ability to choose frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes, making it easy to create a cohesive, attractive look from the street. Beyond aesthetics, EcoView windows are engineered for energy efficiency. Their insulated frames, durable weather stripping, and advanced low-E glass help reduce heat loss in winter and keep interiors cooler in summer. This performance upgrade supports Conshohocken homeowners who want curb appeal that also leads to lower energy costs and a more comfortable living space. Stylish, secure doors that make a lasting first impression. Your front door is a focal point of your home's exterior. EcoView's entry and patio doors combine durability, style, and security to give homeowners confidence along with great curb appeal. Available in fiberglass and steel options, these doors can be customized to match nearly any architectural style, whether your home features classic stonework, brick accents, or modern siding. EcoView's selection includes bold, statement-making entry doors, elegant glass-paneled designs, and smooth sliding or hinged patio doors that complement outdoor living spaces. Not only do these doors increase visual appeal, but they're also built to withstand the region's seasonal weather changes. With superior insulation and high-performance materials, EcoView doors help maintain indoor temperatures and contribute to the overall energy efficiency of the home. Expert installation that protects your investment. Even the highest quality windows and doors require proper installation to perform at their best. EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia is known for its professional installation services, handled by skilled technicians who understand the unique needs of Conshohocken homes. Whether your property is a historic single-family home or a newly built residence, EcoView's team ensures each window and door fits seamlessly, seals correctly, and enhances the structural integrity of your home. Their attention to detail not only boosts curb appeal but also prevents drafts, moisture issues, and long-term wear. Custom solutions that match your home's character. Every home in Conshohocken is different, and EcoView prides itself on offering flexible, personalized solutions. They guide homeowners through the entire process, from product selection to design choices, to ensure the final result reflects the homeowner's vision. If you're aiming for a modern upgrade, EcoView can recommend sleek, contemporary styles. If you want to preserve the charm of a classic stone or brick exterior, they offer timeless window and door options that blend seamlessly with traditional architecture. A smart investment for long-term value-enhancing curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about boosting your property's overall value. High-quality windows and doors are among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. EcoView's durable, energy-efficient products help Conshohocken homeowners enjoy immediate visual improvements and long-term savings. With a strong commitment to craftsmanship, customer service, and performance, EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia is a trusted partner for homeowners looking to elevate their home's exterior. Whether you want a fresh new look, better energy efficiency, or a combination of both, EcoView provides solutions designed to make your Conshohocken home stand out beautifully.